Pika Pika, nursery rhymes and kid song. Wa Pika Pika, nursery rhymes and kid song. Off we go to the pumpkin patch with our boots and hats to match. Orange pumpkins all around, big and small they're on the ground. Pick a pumpkin nice and round, look at all the colors found. Some are tall and some are wide, all so perfect none to hide. Roll them here and roll them there, pumpkins bouncing everywhere. Let's see who finds the best, a pumpkin for the pumpkin quest. Wiggle, wiggle, stomp your feet as we march down the pumpkin street. Round and round we make our way in the pumpkin patch parade. See the Scarecrow standing tall, waving to us one and all. Through the patch and down the lane, the pumpkin fun will never wane. Now it's time to say goodbye to the pumpkins and the sky. Next year we'll be back again for the